This 2021 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 290RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33905 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.